Welcome. So let us start with redemption of debentures. So what does redemption of debentures means? It basically means a repayment. So let's say when you have issued debentures, you're going to repay it after 5 years. So this repayment that you're going to do is known as redemption. The first thing that I'm going to discuss with you is the methods of redemption. The very first method is lump sum method. Second being installments, or we also call it draw of lots. Third being conversion, and the last one being purchase of own debentures in open market. Let's first discuss the lump sum method. As the word suggests, you're going to redeem the entire debenture amount in one go, that is, in a lump sum. So let's say 5 lakh worth of debentures that you have purchased, you're going to redeem it after 5 years. So what are you doing? You are redeeming it in lump sum. So I just gave you the example of 5 lakh rupee debenture. What will be the entry when you will be redeeming it, or rather when it becomes due? The entry will be debenture to debenture holder, it's 5 lakh, and when you actually make the payment, it will be debenture holder to bank. Please note, this is at par, redemption is at par. It can be at premium also, and at discount, whatever may be the case. Second one, installments or draw of lots, is very similar to the lump sum payment, but the meaning means that this entire 5 lakh of debenture will not be redeemed at one go. So out of this 5 lakh, let's say it was decided, I think this is 50,000, so let's make it 5 lakh. 5 lakh, yeah. It was decided that you will be redeeming 1 lakh every year, or it was also decided that we'll do a draw of lots just like lottery, that who will be those debentures who will be redeemed in which year. So it can be maybe in 1 year you're going to redeem 20,000, in another you're going to redeem 30,000, and so on. So the entry remains pretty much the same, but only the amount changes. So let's say that for the first year, the entry that you're doing is debenture to debenture holder, debenture holder to bank. This is the first year's entry, let's say. And then maybe the next year you have redeemed the entire 3 lakh. So debenture to debenture holder, 3 lakh. And then finally, debenture holder to bank, right? Now there is also a possibility that you are converting your debenture into shares, preference shares or equity shares. So let's say, for example, you have 5 lakh worth of share debentures which you're going to convert into equity share. So the entry that you're going to do is debenture to equity share. Fine. These are just simple entries that we have discussed. Now we will understand that with the help of a question. So let's do one question on conversion. The book that I am referring to is J.R. Monga. All of you please open J.R. Monga